Dear children, we have discussed the first part of third unit, acids and alkalis. Let us see the questions and answers.
Hi, I am Gauri B, studying in 7th E. Previous class questions and answers. What is acid? Acids are chemical that reacts with metals and carbonates. All acids have sour taste and contains hydrogen. What are the points while handling chemicals? Do not taste, do not touch, do not smell, do not let it fall on the body. Use a dropper while transferring acid from bottle. While diluting an acid, pour small quantities of acid slowly into water taken in a beaker and stir well. Use a holder to hold a test tube. Write the names of different weak acids. Lactic acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, malic acid. Write the names of strong acids. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. What is alkali? Substances which have a bitter taste and are slimy, which turn red litmus paper blue, are called alkalis. List a few examples of alkalis: soap, caustic soda, baking soda, lime water, etc. What is litmus paper? Litmus papers are indicators used in laboratories. What is indicators? Indicators are substances that help us to distinguish between acids and alkalis through color change. Explain how to make hibiscus paper. Wrap thoroughly a hibiscus flower on both sides of a piece of white paper. Remove all traces of flower sticking on it after it is dried. Using scissors, cut the paper into long and narrow strips. This can be called hibiscus paper. Describe pH paper. pH paper is used to examine whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. Thank you.
Okay, come back. In the last class, we had seen that acids react with metals and carbonates. Food contain tamarind, buttermilk, vinegar and lemon juice are not stored in metal containers because the organic acid or the weak acid in the food items react with the metal of the container and which causes health problems. That's why the bottle and its stopper used to store acid or chemicals in the laboratory are not made of metal substances. The pickles we commonly use are acidic in nature, so they are not stored in metal containers. If you take some diluted hydrochloric acid in a test tube and put a piece of zinc into it, you can see hydrogen is produced through the reaction of acid with the metal zinc. Hydrogen is inflammable and less weighted gas. We can do the same experiment by sulfuric acid or nitric acid with aluminium or magnesium. It was discovered as early as in the 16th century that an inflammable gas is produced when some metals react with acids. This gas was first identified by the British scientist Henry Cavendish. It was Lavoisier who named this gas as hydrogen. The meaning of the word hydrogen is water producing. Eggshell, chalk and marble contain calcium carbonate. When acids react with the carbonates, carbon dioxide is produced. Carbon dioxide is a gas which extinguishes fire. Moreover, it is heavier than other gases. You know that vinegar is acetic acid. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. When they react, carbon dioxide is formed. The fire extinguisher works on this principle. As these materials are easily available, you can do the experiment at your home. Try it. Also, you can do another interesting experiment. Place an egg in a beaker. Fill the beaker full with vinegar. The egg rises to the surface and then sinks. This action keeps on repeating. Carbonate in the eggshell react with the acid and carbon dioxide is formed. The egg ascends because carbon dioxide adheres in the form of bubbles to the surface of the egg. When the egg reaches the surface, carbon dioxide escapes and the egg descends. When ants bite, a small amount of formic acid enters our body. This is why it pains. you can use soap water when ants bite because soap water is an alkali. All acids are not in liquid form. Boric acid is an acid but it is in the solid form. Substances like lime water, caustic soda, liquor ammonia, soap water, etc. are alkalis. When definite amounts of acid and alkali are mixed, their acidic and alkaline natures are lost and salt and water are formed. This is called neutralization. Acid plus alkali is equal to salt plus water. For example, when hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda, are combined, sodium chloride, that is common salt, and water are formed. Acid is produced in the stomach to support the digestion of food. At times, when food is not taken properly or when enough water is not consumed and unhealthy food habits are followed, the amount of acid increases in the stomach. This is called acidity. Doctors prescribe medicines containing alkali to overcome this problem. Now let us see the uses of acid and alkalis. Acids: vinegar, pickles and other food substances; citric acid, food preservation and in soft drinks; nitric acid and sulfuric acid, manufacture of chemical fertilizers, paints, dyes, etc. Sulfuric acid, automobile battery; and tannic acid, production of ink and leather. Uses of alkali: manufacture of soap, manufacture of detergent and ceramic materials, industrial purposes, and purification of water. You might have studied the procedure of making soap. What are the materials required for soap? Sodium hydroxide, coconut oil, water, sodium silicate, stone powder, perfumes, etc. are required for making soap. We use indicators to recognize acid and alkali. Blue litmus paper, blue hibiscus paper, and methyl orange is used as indicator for acids, and red litmus paper, turmeric, and methyl orange is used to indicate for alkalis. Universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of different indicators depending on the strength of the acidic or the alkaline nature of solution. Universal indicator gives different colors. These colors can be compared with the color chart affixed outside the bottle. pH paper is a universal indicator. Now let me conclude this part by asking a few questions. Now let us make an evaluation by answering the following questions. Listen. Question number 1. Why don't we keep food items in metal containers? 2. Make an experiment note on making hydrogen gas. 3. Write 2 features of hydrogen gas. 4. Write the name of scientist who contribute the name hydrogen. 5. Who and in which century invented for the first time that the reaction of acid and metal causes for the formation of gas. 6. What is the literary meaning of hydrogen? 7. Write the name of a solid acid. 8. Write the name of 2 substances containing carbonate. And 9. Which gas is formed by the reaction of acid and carbonate? And what are the features of that gas? 10. What principle works on the fire extinguisher? 11. The egg in the vinegar of the beaker seems rises to the surface and then sinks. Why? 12. Name the acid formed in ants. Write the name of 2 plants other than hibiscus to make indicators. 14. Write 4 uses of acid. 15. Write 4 uses of alkali. 16. What is a neutralization? 17. Describe acidity. 18. Write the name of 3 indicators to recognize acid. 19. Write the name of 3 indicators to recognize alkali. And last, list the name of materials required for making soap. Dear children, all of you go through the textbook many times and Also watch the video of Kite Vitess channel. Okay, thank you.